Today, I want you to consider the power in these three words: it is possible. We all encounter moments when doubt creeps in, and the path ahead seems impossible. But hear me clearly, it is possible. No matter how impossible your dream may seem or how far away your goals feel, if you've been told no, or if you've faced repeated setbacks, don't let those obstacles define your future. Instead, let them be the foundation on which you build your resilience. It is possible for you to achieve greatness, to overcome, and to rise above every challenge. When you walk by faith, with God's strength on your side, nothing can stop you. Whatever it is you're striving for, whether it's success in your career, healing in your body, or restoration in your relationships, it is possible. Whatever it is you're striving for, whether it's success in your career, healing in your body, or restoration in your relationships, it is possible. Trust in God's plan for your life and know that His power is greater than anything that stands before you. It is possible.